Hello, everyone. Welcome to this video on creating a healthcare executive dashboard in Bold BI. A healthcare executive dashboard provides a centralized view of key metrics like patient admissions, revenue, and resource utilization. It helps executives monitor performance, improve decision-making, and ensure operational efficiency in real time. First, create a new dashboard and name it Healthcare Executive Dashboard. Next, create a data source for the healthcare executive data by using PostgreSQL and enter the required connection details. The data source name, server name, port, username, password, and database name. Select Connect, which opens the Query Designer, and enable the code option. Enter the query you have, and select Run to see the values retrieved from the database. Save the data source. Next, add a combo box to the Dashboard Designer surface. Name the widget Department. And in the Assign Data tab, add Department to the value area. Add the expression for an image dropdown. Add the image dropdown in the display column. Select Enable Multi-Select and allow filter in the basic settings. Disable Persist Virtual Selection in the filter section. Adjust the font size settings in the container appearance. Then add a Date Picker widget. Name it Dates. Add admission date. Enable range. And limit dates in the basic settings. I also disable title auto font size and change the font size to 16 in the container appearance. Next, add a number card. And name it Average Staff Turnover Rate. Add turnover rate to the measure section. Format this value to average. Set the value as % on the right. Change the horizontal alignment to center in the appearance settings. Set the font size in the measure section. Disable auto font size. And change the position to top in the title section. Next, add another number card. And name it Average Length of Stay. Add the expression for length of stay. Add the length of stay to the measure section. Format it to average. And set the value as days on the right. Customize its properties like you did for the staff turnover rate card. Next, add a KPI card. Name it Staff to Patient Ratio. Add the expression for staff members. Add staff members in actual value. Format it to distinct count. Add the expression for the staff-patient ratio. Add the staff-patient ratio to target value. Disable auto font size in the title section. Next, click Enable Animation in the animation settings. Disable Show Value in KPI value. Disable Show Icon in the indicator options. In the left value settings, disable both auto font size options and change the name to Staff. In the right value, disable both auto font size options and change the name to Patients. Next, add a KPI card. Name it Mortality Rate. Add the expression for total deaths. Add total deaths in actual value. Add patient ID and target value. Customize its properties. Here I am selecting the Show Value option for this widget. Next, add a Combine widget. Add a text widget to the Combine widget. Title it Financial Performance Overview. And disable Show Shadow in the Container Appearance options. Next, add a number card. And name it Revenue. Add the expression for revenue. Add the revenue to the Measure section. And format it to currency. Change the horizontal alignment to center in the Appearance settings. Disable the Auto Font Size option. And set the font size in the Measure section. Clear the Auto Font Size option. And change the position to top in the Title section. Click Enable Animation in the Animation settings. Set the color in the Background section. Disable Show Shadow in the Container Appearance options. Similarly, add number cards for expenses. Profit. And operating margin. Next, add a stacked bar chart. Name it Revenue, Expenses, and Profit Breakdown. Then add cost per case. Cost incurred. And profit in the Value section. Add department in the Column section. Next, change the chart type and axis to column for the 3 series. And click Enable Animation. And show Value Label in Basic settings. Disable Interactivity. Change the position to top. And shape to series type in Legend settings. Disable both Show Axis Title options in the Axis section. Choose the bar color in the Formatting section. Disable Auto Font Size. And change the font size for the legend. Value Label. Category Axis Label. And Primary Axis Label in the font settings. Adjust the font size. And disable Show Shadow in the Container Appearance options. Enable Show Header in the Container Actions. Add a radial gauge. Name it Operating Room Utilization. Add the expressions for operating room utilization. Drag operating room utilization to actual value. And set the value as % on the right. Add a description. Change types to half circle. And click Enable Animation in the Basic settings. Change the value pointer to range with needle. And set the range pointer color in the pointer settings. Enable Show Ticks. Change the tick position and scale label position to inside in the scale settings. Adjust the font size for the actual value in the font settings. Adjust the font sizes in Container Appearance. Similarly, add radial gauges for readmission rate. Compliance rate. And complication rate. Add a radar polar chart. and name it Inpatients versus Outpatients by department. Add the expressions for inpatients and outpatients. Drag the inpatients and outpatients to the value section. Add department in the column section. Click Enable Animation and show value label in basic settings. Disable interactivity and change the position to top and legend shape to series type in the legend settings. Disable Show Axis Border in the Axis section. Choose the color for inpatients and outpatients in the series palette. Adjust the font size and the container appearance. Next, add a bar chart. Name it Emergency Visits by Department. Add the expression for emergency visits. Then add emergency visits to the value section. Add department to the column section. Next, click Enable Animation and show value label in basic settings. Disable interactivity in legend settings. Disable both Show Axis Title options in the Axis section. Disable Title Auto Font Size. And adjust the font size in the Container Appearance options. Next, add a donut chart. And name it Patient Satisfaction. Add the expression for patient satisfaction. Add patient ID to the Values section. Add the patient satisfaction data to the column section. Select Enable Animation and the percentage option for the data labels in the basic settings. Enable the legend. Disable interactivity. Change the position from bottom to right. Change the shape to series type in the legend settings. Then, adjust the font size in the Container Appearance section. Once the dashboard is created, you can publish it by clicking the Publish button. In this video, you have learned how to create a dashboard for healthcare executives in Bold BI. If you found this video useful, please click the like button. Subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.